Alright, so in this video, I'm going to give you sample problems that involves angles formed by chords. So we will use this formula or theorem that you're seeing right now. And here it says that if we have an arc AD, that's the red one, and then another arc which is BC, the green one, they are formed by the chords AB and DC, and they intersect at point X, okay, which happens to be the angle X. If you want to know the measurement of that angle X, that equals half the sum of arc AD and arc BC. Alright, so let's apply that formula to these three problems. Let's answer the first one. Here it says that the measurement of arc AD is 148 degrees, which is here. Okay? And then we have an arc BC, which is 40 degrees, which is right here. What we want to know is the measurement of this angle. So according to the theorem, if we want to know the measurement of the angle AOD, what we want to do is simply add 148 plus 40 and then divide that by 2. So first, let's add 148 plus 40, and that's going to give us 188. So 1/2 of 188 is going to give us the answer to the problem, and that is equal to 94 degrees. Let's do another one. Alright, so here we have the measurement of angle ZOY is given this time, and here it says it's 125 degrees. And then we have the arc WX, which is given, and that's 86 degrees. The other arc, which is YZ, is missing. And that's the problem, all right? We want to know that. Now, again, according to the theorem, the measurement of angle ZOY is equal to 1/2 the measurement of arc WX and sum of arc WX and arc YZ. Okay. So the measurement of angle ZOY is given, that's 125. Arc WX is given, which is 86. What we want to know is arc WZ. So the first step that I'm going to do here is I will multiply both sides by 2. That's going to eliminate the denominator 2 of 1/2. So 2 times 125 is equal to 250. Equals 86 plus YZ. And then subtract 86 on both sides. So 250 minus 86 is equal to 164. And that is the measurement of our arc YZ. Alright, let's go to the last one. Here we have arc ST, which is given, and that's 98 degrees according to the problem. Arc QR, 36 degrees. That's this one. Okay, here we need to find the value of x. What is that? If this is 8x minus 5. So what I'm going to do here first is I want to know the measurement of that angle. Okay, are you with me? Like, I want to know that first because that's going to give me the equation. 8x minus 5 is equal to that angle. So in order for me to do that, what I'm going to do is find the measurement of that angle. So apply the theorem, obviously. 36 plus 98. Half of that's going to be that angle. So 1/2 of 36 plus 98, so 134. Half of 134. So that is equal to 67. So meaning this 8x minus 5 is equal to 67. So 8x minus 5 equals 67. So I'm going to add 5 on both sides. So 8x equals 67 plus 5 is equal to 72. 67 plus 5, right? 72. Then divided by 8 on both sides. So there you go. 72 divided by 8. You already know the answer to that. That equals 9.